Should Muslims register their caste? Assalamu alaikum. The caste survey taking place in the state of Karnataka has become a major topic of debate within our community. This is a survey where government representatives will go door to door, asking more than 50 questions. Among these questions, one will be about your caste. This raises a very important issue because there is no concept of caste in Islam. So, in such a situation, should a Muslim register their caste? Let's take a close look at this crucial issue so that we can make the right decision. It is an undeniable fact that Islam is the true and fundamental identity of every Muslim. Our religion teaches us equality and brotherhood and rejects every notion of a caste system. However, despite this primary identity, our community has had various sub-identities based on clans, tribes, families, and professions for centuries. From an Islamic perspective, there is no harm in adopting these identities, provided they are not used as a measure of superiority or discrimination. Given this historical and religious reality, when a government representative comes to your home and asks about your caste, you have two options. The first option, you can say that you do not belong to any caste and that you are only and solely a Muslim. This answer is entirely correct according to our faith. The second option, you can register your community, tribal, or family identity in the caste or subcaste column. The question is, which of these two paths should we choose? The question is, which of these two paths should we choose? The harsh reality is that today, Muslims in our country are socially and economically very backward. In these circumstances, it is crucial for us to secure our rights through various government schemes and reservations. Remember, the government recognizes certain Muslim communities and professional identities as a caste or subcaste. Providing this information can help us gain access to reservations and facilities in government jobs, educational institutions, and other government schemes. Therefore, considering both our faith and the practical benefits, registering our community or family identity in the caste or subcaste column is a better and more beneficial strategy for us. We have very little time left until the survey begins. Therefore, it is the responsibility of all of us to raise awareness, inform community members about the importance of this survey through mosques, madrasas, and local neighborhoods. Mentally prepare, get them ready to face more than 50 questions. Guide and help, guide them through the form-filling process and help them provide correct information. Religion, Islam. Caste, Muslim, and also mention the community name, mother tongue, Urdu. Remember, this survey is key to the bright future of our coming generations. Let's unite, make the right decisions, and take full advantage of this golden opportunity. May Allah grant us the ability to make the right decisions for the welfare of our community and the bright future of the new generation. Thank you.